Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. Today we're going to solve another one of the great mysteries of camper trailers, one of those questions everyone wants an answer to. What are these D-rings for? Well, they're actually there for windy, stormy conditions. What we can do is add an extra couple of ropes, peg it into the ground and give additional support to the tent frame. Stop it moving around as much during windy conditions. Extra support, extra strength to the whole structure. So let's get to it. Let's face it, nobody wants to see me bent over hammering in pegs with plumber's bum. So here's one we prepared earlier. You'll see that I've run one rope out at 90 degrees to the camper and one out at 90 degrees to the front of the camper. So we've got a good angle, that'll hold the corner steady. We run those front and back of the camper. And now I'll show you how to double rope your Annex. Here at the front of the camper, we've roped off our awning. At the middle, at the end of the awning, is a triangular piece of canvas with a nylon loop sewn in. It's quite strong. We tie in an extra rope here, run it down at an angle and peg it off. So that adds support there. Don't forget, you've got to put the support pole underneath it, which is a C-clip at one end and a rubber boot at the other. Here on the corner of the camper, we've run ropes out at two different angles. Go out as far as 90 degrees, loop them over the top. That extra strength to holding down the corner of the awning. Over here in the center, here I've set up two ropes again. Set them out at an angle anywhere between 60 and 90 degrees, far enough back so you get a good angle and the pegs will do their job. And what we've done is we've made this very secure. I'll show you a little trick on what you can do with a half hitch around the poles for your ropes over here. Something else we can do with the ropes to help stop the poles from lifting in wind is do a half hitch around the pole. So what we do is we take our rope, run it around the pole, back underneath itself, and then back up on top of the spigot. Bring that loop down and do the same again with the other one. Now as we tighten these ropes, that will help even further to stop, if the wind blows, lifting up that pole and making a mess of your awning. Also, if you're on a campsite that's a little bit tight, say you're in a caravan park and you're running out of real estate to set up, by doing this you can actually bring your pegs in closer and still get a good angle down to the peg with the rope, and that'll hold everything up. That's basically it, guys. What you can do to secure your camper more when you're expecting inclement conditions or wind, you can do this. So head over to our website, check out more of the Masterclass series and follow us on Facebook and you'll know each time we post one.